Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Keith Brennan here at Back to Health and Wellness Center in the beautiful downtown Utica. And today I have two guest appearances from my son Colin and my daughter Charlize over here. It is voting day, so they had the day off school. But I wanted to bring to awareness what a lot of us parents deal with, which is sniffly noses, congestion, sore throats, coughing, illnesses of all different sorts this time of year. And yes, unfortunately, whether your kid goes to a daycare, whether they go to school, or even for those stay-at-home parents, they're going out to grocery stores or other things, they're going to be exposed to germs. So one of the things that we found has been really helpful for our kids is by doing adjustments. And by doing adjustments and feeding them full of vitamins and drinking a lot of water and a few other tricks of the trade, it doesn't mean that they're never going to experiencing some type of sickness. But what it typically means is that when they do, it's going to work through their body really quickly because we're keeping their immune systems really, really strong. So when we get exposed to something and start hearing a little congestion, which I'll let them speak in just a second and you'll see what I'm talking about, this is what we do. Where do we normally adjust you at home?
On the couch.
The couch, a bed. Their dad's a chiropractor, so they're lucky. The rest of you out there that you don't have a mom or a dad that's a chiropractor, you got to come into the office. We do have the horse table for an adjustment. I can kind of show you what this is like. Put your head down just like this. We do a check. We see how things are in place or out of place. Right here, he's got some pelvis out of place. He's getting a little big for this table, so I would typically adjust him actually on the bigger table. But we'd find a spot and we do some adjustments right there on the back. He was out of place in the mid-back. Nice. And that's because he'd been feeling a little congestion. Lay on your back, bud. Cool. Comes on over. We check their little neck. So when he was really young, we just barely touched him on the neck. But now we got to do a little bit more. Put him back in place. Drop this down. Boop. I like to use sound effects when I'm adjusting the kids because it helps keep them calmer. Right, bud? Awesome. And then we help them up. That's it. All right, Charlize, come on over. Show how we're going to have you start by laying face up because I want them to see what we can do for the sinuses and the congestion. So with the sinuses, we can give a little bit to the head and the cheeks there. And then we can get swollen lymph ducts too, where we have to press a little bit on this. As Charlize would probably tell you, that doesn't necessarily feel that good if we have a little bit of swelling in those lymph part of our neck, right? Yeah. And then we can. She doesn't have much going on. Why? Because I just checked her and adjusted her this morning. So there's nothing that needs to be adjusted in there. So I'm just going to let it be after giving a little massage to those lymphs. Can you lay face down, baby girl? And then we check her out. Looking pretty good there. A little bit up in the upper back here. All right, she's all set. Wait with the camera, baby girl. Awesome. So you can see it's as simple as getting them checked out, and if they have something going on, we can take care of it. If not, we might do something with their sinuses like I just did, give a few recommendations for vitamins, supplements, and possibly what we're eating. Everyone have a great day. I hope everyone out there is feeling very well and strong. If not, pump yourself full of some good stuff and get yourself feeling better. This has been Dr. Keith Brennan and his two wonderful kids here at Back to Health Wellness Center.